How expensive is cancer treatment in India? This is a question which even Indians want to know, plus people who are coming to India for their cancer treatment also want to know. Cancer treatment in India usually is given in three ways. One is chemotherapy, second is surgery, third is radiotherapy. The cost of the treatment will differ from the type of cancer what you have, also at what stage is your cancer in. For example, if your cancer is stage 1, it might not cost you much, but if your cancer is stage 3 or stage 4, it will definitely cost you much more, and you should be ready with those finances so that you are not in trouble in the middle of the treatment. So let's start with chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is not just one medicine. Chemotherapy is usually given in 6 to 7 months. So what do I mean by that? That there is a particular set of medicines, basically 3 or 4 or maybe 2 cancer medicines, the main cancer medicines, which will be mixed in the saline bottle and will be injected in your vein like how you get IV drips. These cancer medicines differ from stages. Stage 1 cancer will be different medicines. Stage 4 may be little different medicine, maybe the dosage is little different. So accordingly, usually the charges will happen. But on a rough estimate, every chemotherapy cycle, which happens every month. So for 6 months, every month you will have one chemotherapy sessions. That might cost you on an average minimum 50,000 rupees in India. If you opt for imported medicines, the cost will be higher. Then comes surgery. Surgery, just like chemotherapy, will also differ from the kind of surgery there is. But in India, what I can tell you is that on an average, you can say about 2 to 2.5 lakhs on an average, your surgery may happen. Third is radiotherapy. Radiotherapy usually happens in 1 month, where every day you have to go to the radiotherapy center for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. And the hospital offers you a package for 1 month, which may cost you 50 to 60,000 rupees or a little more according to the kind of cancer what they are treating. Most importantly, please remember, your cancer treatment will highly variate according to the doctor that you choose, the hospital that you choose. So if you choose a very senior cancer specialist, his charges will be high. His OPD charges will be high. His treatment charges will be high. If you opt for a bigger hospital, it will be more. No doubt about it. So you should be ready with it. This does not mean that all type of cancers you will have to spend so much. I've just given you the average. There are certain kind of cancers where you just have to take one medicine, one tablet every day, and you are fine for the rest of your life. Nothing will happen to you. You'll be living a very normal life. So it depends, but mostly cancer treatment is very expensive and there'll be a lot of running around. Last but not the least, your entire cancer treatment for the past 30 years, what I've been seeing, on an average, it goes to around 25 to 30 lakhs. Make sure either you are financially capable or you keep that amount of money as a safeguard for you and your family. If ever something like this happens to us, make sure your family is insured, not just by 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs. It will not do anything for you and your family. Any kind of treatment in a hospital is very expensive. So minimum, you should be insured between 45 to 50 lakhs. So that in case if we get this kind of disease like cancer, we are safeguarded from begging anybody or asking money or help from anybody. The insurance company will take care of your bills properly in a hospital. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you how we can reduce the cost of a cancer treatment in India. So click on I button and subscribe to this channel, Plan My Treatment.